Okay, so here we have the PiStorm, the regular PiStorm, running a CM4 board using the PiStorm32 adapter board and a Gpio extender. This is what it sort of, and I also have the HDMI I/O board going at the back there. This runs across the CPU, and yeah, very, very stable. We're using the longer hold CPLD firmware, and I've got it running now. It's very important to keep this cool, so the fan right on top of the heatsink works very well. So let's try something fun. Alright, so you get this on the screen just to see how powerful this is. Sorry. Wrong button, of course. So let's start this. It's probably not going to give up the sound, so we're going to have I think there's a bit of a breakdown in the sound, so let's press F10. Let's stop this. Yeah, it's interesting there, it was trying to mix the sound in. But yeah, this is pretty powerful. This is right from the desktop. Let me focus on press F10. Like, the frame rate is excellent. So I'll let you have a look again. Yeah, this board usually has the pins on this side, so you have to put the pins on the other side if you want to use it easily with just an extension. Extra long holds. CPLD firmware. Cooling fan. Then you've got the I/O extender, which is another board that has the HDMI on it. Obviously all this could be condensed onto one board, but yeah,